Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll take a look at the Xiaomi Mijia Bluetooth Nightlight 2. This light is available online for about $12 US. It has a rated power of 0.35 watts and is powered by 3 AAA batteries. It has a warm white color temperature of 2800 K and has human body infrared sensor and light sensor. It has base body design and the base is held by a magnet. You can also attach it to the metal surface with this magnet. It can also be used in stand mode where you can place it anywhere on flat surface. Since the base is round, you can turn it in any direction. Now let's see the installation and MiHome. Pretty easy. All you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile phone and MiHome will find it automatically. Then you have standard MiHome options to assign it to a room or give it a unique name. Once you open Nightlight settings, you are presented with a main screen where you can change all available options. First of all, you can turn the Nightlight functionality on or off, set the light brightness and lighting duration. You can also set it if it will turn on when it's light or in complete darkness only. There are 5 different sensitivity settings for you to choose. In Smart Scenes, you can set the automations or see the automations log. You can set the if part of the automation. So let's see. You can choose between motion detection, light present, darkness, darkness and movement, light present and movement, and also events for 2, 5, 10, 20 or 30 minutes with no motion detected. Unfortunately, you cannot set the then part of the automation, that is, control the light, for instance, when other sensor triggers something. Under Settings, you have all standard MiHome options that are same for all devices, like renaming it, changing location, updating the firmware, security settings for setting the password for accessing the device, setting the time zone, or you can add the shortcut to the home screen. Let's update the firmware. Please take notice that the Bluetooth on your phone must be on while updating, even though the device is connected to your BLE gateway. And as you can see, it is visible under BLE Gateway. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.